Hello everyone. Today we'll see the how to write a program for prime number. So in C language. So when we can call it is a prime number, the number which is divisible by 1 and itself, then we can call as a prime number. See, let me see the factors for 5. So now, so we'll have the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we'll see the factors of 5. What are the factors of 5 here? So now 1, so whether 1 5 is 5, the remainder is 0. Now 1 is a factor for 5. Okay, 1 is a factor for 5. Now take with 2, 2 2 is 4, the remainder is 1. So here it is not a factor for 5. Now come to 3. 3 1 is 3, remainder is 2. So remainder is 2, nothing but it is not a factor of 5. Now take the 4, 4 1 is 4, the remainder is 1. So even the 4 also not a factor of 5. With take 5 1 is 5, the remainder is 0. Now, so both 1 and 5 are the factors of prime number. Now we can say that the number 1 and itself are the factors of a prime number. So now by using this concept, we'll write a program in the C language. So here, so we having the header file. We are writing the header files. What are the header files we require here? Just standard input output is required. stdio.h. Then start with the main function. Void main, then declare the variables. So integer number I am taking, that's why I am taking using the integer data type. So here n nothing but number. Okay, count using for the to count the factors of that number. Then and I use for the looping statement. For looping statements I am using the I here. Now see why I am using I means to check 1 is divisible, 2 is divisible, 3 are divisible, next 4 and 5, next so on. So for that purpose I am using here. Then initialize the value for n here. Now initialize the value, then printf, enter a number, then scanf, percentile d, ampersand n. So here I am using the for loop to check the factors of 5, to check the factors of a number. I equal to 1 because of, so I am starting from with 1 and n numbers. So I less than or equal to n, up to n we need to check, then we need to increment the I value. So here I am using the another logic. So when the remainder is 0, when we got the remainder is 0, then we can say that that is the factor of that number. Now for that purpose here I am writing n percentile I is equal to 0. Then so we need to increment the count. So here we are incrementing the count. So this is the block of if, this is the block of for. Now so we'll write a condition here. If count equal to 2, then we can say that, then we can print given number is prime. Percentile d is a prime number. Then print a number. So the else, suppose if the count is not 2, then what we have to say here? The given number is printf percentile d is not a prime. Okay. So print a number. So then this is the if block, then this is the else block. Then we need to close the main. So close the main block here. Now we'll see how to execute a program. So already we know that the program execution start from the main function. So now the program execution start from the main function. So one thing I can say that who are calling the main function? Who is calling the main function? Why the program execution start from the main function? The compiler, the operating system is going to be called. Who are going to be called the main function? Operating system is going to be called the main function. So that's why the program execution in the C program, in the C language, going to be started from the main. Then after coming that, it moves to the declaration stage. So here, what we declare, how many bytes we require here. So for n we require 2 bytes, for count we require 2 bytes, for I we require the 2 bytes. Now, so n got memory allocation, count got memory allocation, and I got memory allocation. Now, so n got memory allocation with how many bytes? With 2 bytes. So it initially having the garbage value. Now count got memory allocation. Count got memory allocation, and I also got a memory allocation. So all these will have the garbage values because of we didn't initialize the value at a declaration stage. Now after allocating the memory, then what will happen? It moves to the next statement called printf. So what will happen here? We are instructing the user to enter a number. So now user entering the number will be called 5. So that number going to be read by using the scanf statement. So that the number read by the %d and it going to be stored in the location called n. Now it is going to be stored in the location called what here? 5 location n. So before it is garbage value, now it is will have the 5. Number will have the 5. For that number, we need to check the what are the factors. That's why we are using this logic. So this is logic for what is the logic for this logic for the to check factors. To check factors. Okay. So now for I equal to 1. So here let me take I equal to 1. 1 less than or equal to n equal to what here? 5. 1 less than or equal to 5, condition true or false? The condition is true. When the condition is true, what will happen? This block of statements are going to be executed. Now in this block of statements, we having the if n equal to what here? N equal to 5 percentile 1. So n 5 percentile 1, nothing but a 5 remainder 1. Nothing but 1, whether divisible by 5 or not? Yes, the remainder is 0. When the remainder is 0, what will happen? So this is nothing but a 5 percentile 1 is equal to 0. 0 equal to 0. Condition is true or false? The condition is true. When the condition is true, these block of statements are going to be executed. Here the count going to be plus plus. So here the count will have the garbage. Now garbage plus plus will be happen, but not 1. So that's why we need to initialize the before itself, a declaration itself, we need to initialize the count equal to 0. So now count equal to 0. After performing the increment operation, now count become the 1. Okay, whether understood? So before that count does not having any number. So now what will happen? If it does not having any number, before it having the garbage value, if I execute this count plus, what will happen? It will become the garbage plus plus. So it is not going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So that's why to increment to get the correct factors, we need to initialize the count equal to 0. Now so count become the 1. Then again loop get repeated with I equal to what here? With I equal to 2. So now 2 less than or equal to 5. Condition is true or false? The condition is true. When the condition is true, again what will happen? These block of statements are going to be executed. Here 5 percentile. I equal to what here? I equal to 2. 5 percentile 2. What is the remainder? Remainder is 1. Is 1 equal to 0? Condition is false. Okay, then again what will happen? For loop get incremented. The I equal to what here? I equal to 3. 3 less than or equal to 5. Condition true or false? The condition is true. When the condition is true, again what will happen? This for loop going to be executed. So in this we having the 5 percentile 3. What is the remainder? Remainder is 1. 1 equal to 0. Condition is false. Again what will happen? I get incremented to 4. 4 is less than or equal to 5. Condition is true. Again what will happen? For block going to be executed. Now Now what will happen here? 5 percentile 4. The remainder is 1. So 1 is equal to 0. Condition true or false? The condition is false. Then again what will happen? Loop get incremented. Now I equal what here? I equal to 5. 5 less than or equal to 5. Condition is true or false? The condition is true. Then again what will happen? This for going to be executed. So here 5 percentile 5. Then what will happen? The condition is true or false? The remainder is what here? Remainder is 0. 0 is equal to 0. Condition is true. Again what will happen? Count get incremented to, before that count is 1. Now it is incremented to 2. Now count equal to what here? Count equal to 2. Again what will happen? The for get repeated. Now I equal to what here? 6. 6 less than or equal to 5. The condition will be false. Means what will happen here? So how many times for loop is executed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means n number of, how many times it is going to be repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because of, so if you take 5, we are going to check the 5 times. If we are going to take number 7 times. 8 times. Like that it is going to be performed. Now count equal to what here? Count equal to 2. With the count, what will happen? If count equal to 2. What is the count here? Count equal to 2. 2 is equal to 2. It is a prime number or not? Yes, the condition is true. Then what will happen? This, what is percentile number? Number is what here? N. So now 5 is a prime number. I think all of you understood this concept. Thank you.